Hello, I'm Greg Barker. I'm the founder of Smart Home Security Control. The reason I started this company was because there was a lot of confusion with homeowners about the overwhelming amount of smart home products on the market today. Customer questions are often, what's the best smart home system? They also ask, is there something where I don't have to have 10 different smart automation apps and 5 different remote controls for my home theater? Also, they ask, is there one app out there, one mobile app that I can use to control all of my smart home devices? These are the questions that I'm passionate about. I want to help you custom design a system that meets your family's needs and is within your budget. Whether you want to start with a simple smart home security system with a mobile app, or if you're custom building a home and you would like to add it all, you want to do a security system, cameras, automated door lock, video doorbell, you like to get lighting control, you want to get your thermostat, climate control automized. You want to do home theater, distributed music, automatic blinds and shades, irrigation, pool pumps, lighting outside, landscape lighting. Also, we do outdoor entertainment systems. If you want to get all these all together, all controlled by one controller, we can make that happen for you. We use only the finest brands you can trust. Brands like ADT Security, Sony Home Theater, Klipsch speakers, Hunter Douglas blinds and shades, and Control 4. We use that as our home automation controller to control it all, to manage it all with one simple interface and one mobile app. Smart home products are awesome, but they're only as good as the technician who installs them and programs them. We've put together some of the most experienced minds in the industry to custom design solutions for yourself and to put together an installation that's flawless, professionally installed and guaranteed to last. It all starts with you giving us a call. We'll schedule your free in-home consultation, go over your unique needs, and custom design a smart home solution for you. Thank you for giving us this opportunity to serve you. We'd really appreciate your business and your support. If you just want to learn more, you have some questions, give us a call or visit our website at www.smarthomesecuritycontrol.com.